Hey guys, welcome back to my channel FOODGLAM. Today we are going to make famous Bengali sweet Rajbhog in a very simple and easy way. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And without wasting time, let's get started. First we need to do is heat the milk. For that I am taking 1 liter milk. Once the milk comes to roll boil, we need to lower the flame and add vinegar and water. I am adding vinegar to split the milk and water to kind of dilute the acid because we need a soft and smooth dough, not hard. Once milk splits or separates milk solids, we are going to strain it. We are added vinegar to it so that we need to wash it properly, because we don't want any acidic flavor to it. Remove all the excess water and make it completely dry. Leave it for overnight or at least 1 or 2 hours. Now we are going to make a sugar syrup. For that I am adding 1 cup sugar and 2 cups water. Now we are going to knead the chana. Make sure it doesn't have any moisture in it. Transfer it into the plate and start kneading it. Knead the chana very well and make a smooth and soft dough. I am also adding little maida or all-purpose flour to it. I am also adding little yellow food color in it. Knead it at least 10 to 12 minutes. Now for center stuffing, I am taking some chopped dry fruits, little sugar, little cardamom powder and little bit of chana, and mix all this together well. I am also using little green food color, but it's totally optional. You can skip it. Divide the chana or dough into 6 to 7 portions according to your choice. Just create a little dent in the center. And place the dry fruit mixture right in the center. Bring all of this together and roll it into a nice and smooth ball. Ensure that there are no cracks in it. Do the same process for each portions. In sugar syrup, I am adding 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder and 1 teaspoon kefir water. Now put all the balls one by one. Do not put all the balls together. If we put all the balls together, then temperature of the sugar syrup will decrease, which we don't want. And cover and cook for 10 minutes. You will notice the size of the Rajbhog get double. Flip the sides gently. I am also adding little yellow food color and saffron in the sugar syrup and cover and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. Now your Rajbhog is ready. Please do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section if you like it or not. Thank you for watching. We will meet again in my next video. Till then, bye.